Hey YouTube, how the heck you doing? I'm doing great and I hope you are too. Gonna do a little unboxing today because I'm gonna be updating my DJI Mic 2, or actually 1. This is the original mic that they did. So I got the DJI Mic Mini. We're gonna see just exactly what's in the box, and then I'll do a follow-up video to show you exactly what it is upgrading from and how much it functions beyond the Mic 1. So let's go ahead, delve into this little guy. Got a little bag here, nice little zip carry case that they give you a thing, a little tag that is removable overall. So let's go ahead and dig in here. Looks like we got some cables. We got the little muffs to keep it quiet, the dead cat muffs, and then we have the packaging for the mic in there, the Mic Mini. Nice little pouch to handle that. Let's go ahead and open the accessories first, check those guys out. Looks like it's the USB cables and the RCA jack. So you got the RCA jack, and then you got the USB-A to USB-C cable on that. And then on this guy, all these little packagings that they have. Looks like they have just the 2 covers, actually 4 covers here. So they got a couple different ones depending on what you're covering. Maybe a little denser on some than the others, or maybe you just want to color coordinate it. So those are the accessories, but let's go delve into the main guy here. Nice little package, very similar to the one, maybe a little bit shorter or so, but got the sticker on the front there, and let's see, let's take that out. It says to push the button. Kind of obvious to do that, but maybe not. And there we have the receiver and the 2 transmitters in there. It's also got the little accessory for the iPhone or a USB-C attachment. Very similar to what the setup was on this guy. So let me see, open that and that. So very similar on the 2. The one did have the touch screen to do some manipulation on that. The second one, or the Mini, does not have that, but it's supposed to have better range, better sound or noise cancellation. So we will be delving into that, see how they do on that. Very small as far as the transmitters, obviously about half the size of what they used to be. And then you still have the little dead mouse mics that clip onto there very easily. They stick into the holes on top. They should stick in there. Let's see. There we go. So there it goes. It sticks in there pretty good. Then you would just go ahead and clip it on shirt or something. Not the best shirt to have for that, but as it does fall forward. So we would have that stuck on there and going. I'll be checking out. I'll probably compare it to distance and audio quality with the one. I didn't do the 2 because it is a little bit more than the Mini here, so we'll check that out later. But overall, it looks like it's a good setup. You got, like I said, you got the 2 mics in here. You got the charging case, so it just plugs into the back with the USB-C cable, charges the whole unit as needed. Very similar to the original one that we did, which I just switched on, unfortunately. Mini in there. Original one goes in there. So that is the Mic Mini. I've been enjoying using the original mic when I've been using it on and off on projects, but we'll see how the Mini does as far as functionality out in the field and distance and audio quality, and from there We'll see how it connects with the Insta360 X4, probably my Canon R8, and the iPhone too. I'm going to hook it up to that, see if it improves the quality and audio quality on that, and go from there. So let me know down below what you think of this Mini that came out. It's priced in mid-range between the two, of the 1 and the 2. So we'll see how many people want to go and do with that one. Let me know down below in the comments, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Have a good one.